My favorite thing or things about the printer would be the accuracy. It's such a small little printer, but it does exactly what you need it to do. Also, the space that it doesn't take up because it's so small. That's very, very important. I was able to line that up with everything in our line with the printer, wash, and cure box. I guess the other thing would be just the simplicity of it, that if someone, anybody could learn it with just minimal knowledge of software usage. Anybody can learn how to use that. What our preference is for diagnostic cast. That's what we use it for a lot. I use it also for surgical guides, and that's been probably our biggest. And I mean, the accuracy is insane. It's spot on as far as the quality of what we get. It's there. A lot of places have scanners now, so I mean, even just GPs in general. So being able to use that and then print their own diagnostic cast and be able to talk to the patient, present a treatment plan, and have something there that's nice, and it's really beneficial. The support that I've received from Whip Mix from the very beginning has been extraordinary. Like, I've always felt like you guys were my friends just because we got to know each other through all the questions and the value of what you have, and then compared to what you pay for it is like, wow, it's amazing. Like, definitely worth for anybody who wanted to invest in that.